that time.
Ah.
And if we have friends inside, we can have also sometimes if we want to drink coffee. Yeah, sometimes we want to drink coffee, we can have like cake,
What?
sandwich, something nice. Side of our
I know,
bed.
but did I go about the sandwich the whole?
Yeah. Ano, we can pwede ka pang ba? Pwede. Maybe okay at least. But the problem is that tomorrow, then they don't have something to keep hot.
No, the sandwich you can eat them cold.
Unless they have fun, so I can keep hot for you. If you will allow me. Then,
No, no, this sandwich is the cold okay.
Okay.
You don't need too much hot. Cold is okay, but you know the way. Same thing with egg sandwich.
Yeah.
No, you don't need. If you want, then you can just buy two sandwiches and make a coffee.
Yeah.
You don't have to worry. Let's see.
You want more?
No, no, no. I'm good. I want to eat.
Not order just one?
Huh?
Not
Me, I'm
order
good.
just one.
Let's see.
So if I order just one, it's the same price anyway.
What's the same price?
The buy one take one.
Yeah.
Cannot be half price.
Oh, if you want one more now,
Just one lang ba?
you'll have to drink two. Drink beer.
No, it's gonna be too bloated.
Drink two more if you can. Okay? I'm quite some person. I see you.
Wait, what time it is? Let's share the time. Yeah.
You have fun.
Okay, I will get one.
No, but do you really have to drink? You can drink wine or something anyway. So where you want to drink now? When you can buy wine or whatever you want later and then drink later.
Right then.
How much you gonna drink? That's what I mean to say.
I will drink.
You just only to enjoy here. You know, not to get drunk. Yesterday was okay, but then it's okay. I mean, for me, my case is different because it's very sugary drinks.
Yeah.
My case is different. But you already had two. And if you want to drink more, oh, this is 7-Eleven, you can go this way.
They have the other one there. Oh yeah, we give that to
This
you
way.
anyway.
Yeah. Same case. But I don't want to drink. So we had another 4 5 days. Yeah, not today, maybe tomorrow I can. Coffee there.
Yeah. We'll buy something then.
Yeah. We'll buy something.
Well,
But if you want to drink beer or wine, then. Hmm?
One question.
But I had
I drink coffee and I drink like I eat banana with food. Sweet a lot because I drink this. I'm sure that I'm gonna enjoy the pool.
no, if I say don't drink too much, it's okay. If you want, then there is okay. Yeah, no. I don't enjoy. It's okay. If I'm gonna do something, then it's okay. I don't need it.